So to help with weight loss, what I want you to do is look in your kitchen cupboard. I want you to start cooking with more spices, using some spices that perhaps you haven't used before. What I got here today is fenugreek. It's actually a nice liver tonic. You can add it to your cooking, you can grind it up, add it to stir fries, add it to soups. But don't stop there. Think about things like turmeric, think about things like chili, think about things like mustard and garlic. All of them have a role to play to increase fat burning. And they do that by a mechanism called thermogenesis. And thermogenesis, or thermogenic agents, help to burn fat. You'll read a lot in the media about thermogenesis, and why it's so important is that it boosts the metabolism of your body. When you boost metabolic rate, you help with fat burning. But these spices can also help you to eliminate the fat out of the body. They help with liver and gallbladder health as well, and they can also help to calm digestion. So get spicy, use spices in your cooking, and I think you'll see that fat come off.